So yeah, all in all, the total of everything was... Alright guys, so after editing this video, I'm not gonna have you guys all sit till the end to hear how much it costed. So the total for everything, like the oil, the warranty work, the motor mounts, and the alternator, replacing all that in 4 years, coming up to 4 years now in November, driving 63,000 miles, it's only come out to $2,343, which is less than $50 a month. That's actually insane. I'm about to be slapping a Toyota badge onto this thing because that's cheap. So, and all in all, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. So please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day. Just got done playing 18 holes of golf. Got a score of 88, so I'm happy that I broke 90, or got less than 90, because earlier this year I was not doing too hot. But anyway, the reason why you're here is because we're about to hit 100,000 miles on the Focus, and this is just a 100,000 mile review. If you want to see everything that I've done to the car, like other stuff, as in like parts and everything, I'll link that up here, I believe it is. All this video is just going to be the reliability of the Focus. I mean, I've owned it since 37,000, so I've put 77,000 miles on it. No, 67,000. I've put 67,000 miles on it, and everything that I've needed to change, and which really isn't a lot. I broke it down in this car. For at least mine that I got, I don't know about how reliable everyone else's is and what all you guys have had to fix and replace. But for me, the most part, it's been really, really reliable. It's been an awesome daily driver, a lot of fun. Just a little bit more bouncy now because of the coilovers. But yeah, so let's get into what all I have had to replace on it. All right, so after owning the car for about 5,000 miles now, like a month or a couple months, I had to already take it back into the shop because I had an engine light, and we have a code reader, and it came up as like a O2 sensor malfunction or failure. So I had to get that fixed. Luckily, it was under warranty, only $100 out of my pocket, but at the time I was in college, not making that much money, so it was like I was stressing. I was like, man, I just bought this car, I got these car payments and everything. So luckily everything turned out okay, because later on, little do I know, it's like less than $50 a month that I've basically been maintaining for this car of maintenance. Because then not shortly after that, but over time, just recently, if you've been watching my channel, you know I had to replace my motor mounts because the passenger engine side malfunctioned or broke or whatever, was leaking. So I replaced all of them, and that was like $500 and some odd dollars, $550 I think. And then I did have to replace my alternator, because when I was going to work one night, my car basically almost shut off. The lights were flashing and everything. Steering got really stiff, so I had to replace that. That was also, I think that was like a little over $200. Both of those videos are actually posted on my channel, so if you're needing to know how to replace those, check out my channel. And then the other stuff that is just maintenance, like oil and everything else like that, I did at 50,000 miles. I did replace the spark plugs, along with replacing my transmission fluid. I think I should maybe do that again. Since I'm at 100,000 miles. You guys think I should replace my transmission fluid again, since I just did it 50,000 miles ago? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I mean, it doesn't take long, super easy. But what I am going to be doing again is changing my oil at this 100,000 mile mark, and then changing my spark plugs out just to get a refresh on that. So they'll be coming in today, and I have a gapper that I'm going to be using, because last time we just had to like pound on a table for it to like close the gap, and kept on measuring. So hopefully this one's a little bit easier to use. please like, subscribe, and share, because we're trying to get to 1,000, and I'm hoping to get a car very, very soon. I'm gonna go to the hatchback car still, but it probably won't be like that. I'll probably be moving on to something different, more of a sedan. So I know I keep on telling you I'm gonna get a new car, and I still haven't done it yet. It's just because everything going on financial wise and everything. My girlfriend and I were about to buy a house. That fell through. Luckily it kind of did, because then we did the numbers and the crunching, and we'd be like barely saving any money. Kind of like we wouldn't be house poor, but we'd be pretty I wouldn't say pretty close, but we wouldn't be house poor. I would basically be house poor because all my student loans and everything I'd be paying. But she would be fine. Once again, I'm gonna just say thank you to all you that are currently subscribed, and I'm gonna say thank you to the new subscribers, because only 90% of you, or no, 10% of you are subscribed. 90% of you that watch my videos are not. So if you could, just please hit that subscribe button. Helps me out, helps you out, because just join it early, because we will be taking off soon. I promise you that. I don't know, I just have a feeling that this channel is going to eventually grow, and it's going to be big. So hope you all are having a great day, great night, whatever it is, whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you in the